Hi everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss about hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this session, this HLB scale, in short form it is called as a HLB scale, hydrophilic lipophilic balance. It is proposed by Gerfen. It is an arbitrary scale to determine the HLB of surface active agents by this number system. We have to determine the optimum efficiency for each class of surfactants. This HLB scale ranges from 0 to 18. From 0 to 9, those are lipophilic in nature. The surface active agents which are in lipophilic in nature from 0 to 9. And from 9 to 18, those are hydrophilic in nature. The scale ranges from 0 to 18. From 0 to 9, those surface active agents are lipophilic in nature. From 9 to 18, those are hydrophilic in nature. And from this, the number system, in this 0 to 3, those are most antifoaming agents. And 3 to 8, the 0 to 3 is most antifoaming agents, and 3 to 8, this 3 to 8, water by oil emulsifying agents. And 7 to 9, this is 7, this 7 to 9 is wetting and spreading agents. And 18 to 16, 18 to 16, those are oil by water emulsifying agents. And 13 to 16, 13 to 16 are detergents, and 16 to 18 are solubilizing agents. Okay, this is the HLB scale. It ranges from 0 to 18, and the different number systems having different type of agents, like most antifoaming agents 0 to 3, water by oil emulsifying agents 3 to 8, wetting and spreading agents 7 to 9, oil by water emulsifying agents 8 to 16, detergents are 13 to 16, solubilizing agents are 16 to 18. In this HLB scale, higher the HLB, there is more hydrophilic. The scale ranges, if the higher the HLB values, and more will be the hydrophilic. For this, examples are tweens, means tween 80, like that, tweens, polyoxyethylene derivatives of spans. Polyoxyethylene derivatives of spans. Higher the HLB, more hydrophilic. And lower the HLB are more lipophilic. Lower the HLB scale, those are more lipophilic in nature. Examples are spans, sorbiton esters. Spans and sorbiton esters. Formula for determining the HLB value is HLB is equals to sigma hydrophilic group number minus sigma lipophilic group number plus 7. By using this formula, we have to determine the HLB value of a surface active agents. If HLB of a non-ionic surfactant, whose only hydrophilic portion is polyoxyethylene. Hydrophilic portion is polyoxyethylene. For that we have to determine by using this formula, surface active agents, by using this formula HLB is equals to E plus 5, whereas E is the percentage by weight of ethylene oxide. Percentage weight of ethylene oxide, E by 5. If a number of polyhydric alcohol, fatty acids and esters, polyhydric alcohols and fatty acid esters such as glyceryl monostearate. For that, the HLB formula is HLB is equals to 21 minus S by A. 21 minus S by A. S is a saponification number of ester. Saponification number of ester, whereas A is a acid number. Acid number of a fatty acid. Acid number of a fatty acid. If the oil phase in oil by water emulsion requires a specific HLB. The oil phase in oil by water emulsifying agent. In this oil by water emulsion, it requires a specific HLB. That HLB is called as required HLB. In short form, RHLB. Okay, this is about the hydrophilic lipophilic balance HLB scale. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.